In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Playground Starter app in Salesforce. Whether you're just getting started with Salesforce or looking to enhance your skills, accessing the Playground Starter app is a foundational step that can greatly improve your understanding and experience. So let's dive into the details and get you set up in no time. To begin, you'll need to log in to Trailhead, which is Salesforce's fun, free, online learning platform that takes an innovative approach to teaching people how to use Salesforce. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to trailheadsalesforce.com. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that first, but assuming you have, you should see the login option right there on the homepage. Use your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're ready for the next step. Now that you're inside Trailhead, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll find your avatar icon. This is essentially your profile picture or a general icon if you haven't set a photo yet. Click on this avatar, and as part of the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option labeled Hands-on Orgs. Hands-on orgs are crucial because they are your practice environments assisting you in learning by doing, which is one of the best ways to build your Salesforce expertise. Once you've clicked on Hands-on Orgs, you'll see a list of the orgs you have access to. This includes various environments you might have set up, including your Playground Starter app. Scroll through the list until you find the Playground Starter app. It might be one of the first few options if you're new, as these playgrounds are often automatically created when you start new modules. If you have several orgs, don't hesitate to use the search function to find it quickly. When you've spotted the Playground Starter app, the next step is straightforward. Go ahead and click on Launch next to it. By selecting Launch, you're effectively opening up your playground environment, where you can experiment, try out new things, and work through tasks without affecting any real data. And there you go. You're now inside the Playground Starter app, and this is where you can practice and implement what you learn on Trailhead. It offers a sandbox-like environment that gives you the freedom to explore and make mistakes without any worries. Remember, practice is key to mastering Salesforce, and by using the playground, you're building a solid foundation for your future success. Thanks for sticking around, and happy learning.